Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MNGA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green line here is coming from. And first thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning and delete that out of there. Sure, it still pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines all over the place. Try to keep this as clean as possible. One thing to note is that as I speak right now, in fact, I'll bring that up, you can see the price is now up at 34 cents. So a lot of post-market action right now. So I'm aware of that. And the tricky part here, now going to 35. The tricky part, though, is, well, yeah, you still have all of after hours, and then you have all of pre-market tomorrow on Wednesday. So where is this going to open up? Right now, looking like up over 30 cents, but you never quite know. But what I'm going to do is mainly just talk about some broad concepts here. And the first concept, though, what I am going to do is assume that the price opens up above 30. So therefore, the ideal level of support is going to be 26 cents, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the best? Definitely staying up above 26 cents. Now, if the price actually opens below it or the price, eventually drops below it, I'm not saying that means the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above 26, that would be a great sign of power going forward. Next level of support, if 26 does not hold, down here at 22 cents. So 26 and then 22, the levels of support going into tomorrow. Again, assuming that it actually closes up above 30 cents. Or I guess assuming it opens up above 26 cents, because if it opens at 27, well then yeah, you still have the ability, to stay up above 26. But at the end of the day, no matter where it opens, and assuming you care about the big picture of things, that's where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, key level being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from the grand scheme of things viewpoint, sure, it'd be great if the price stays above 26, but all in all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented there. So keep an eye on these levels of support, but at the end of the day, top priority is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's all about going through healthy consolidations and building higher lows. So it's looking like tomorrow is going to be quite interesting. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.